wonder where Jackson got to. Alright, so we're going to do a little day hike today on the Knob Trail. Should take about 2.5, 3 hours the most. And there's a view. We're going to take a little side trip down to the pond. So yeah, let's come on and see how the trail is. The kids already waiting for me. So it's the Rocky Knob Trail. You ready, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go do it.
The weirdos crossing.
So, see how this goes. Record most of this trip. Report on any trail conditions, rockiness, steepness, possible campsites.
Weirdo-ness.
You're allowed camping in this state forest. It is, I'll have to get the name of the state forest and list it. Alright, well, let's enjoy. Looks like our blazes will be red for this trail. You see that?
Yeah.
Keep an eye on them. It's kind of a nice wide trail here, like an ATV trail or something like that. It did say horses could be on this trail as well.
Jackson's up ahead.
And you're just gonna stay back with Dad today, or
Yeah.
are you gonna take off at some point?
Maybe at some point I'll take off.
So, not very far into the trail at all, maybe half a mile. The kids found our first campsite. And it is legal to backpack in and camp anywhere here in the forest you want. I'm reading some things though about not being able to have a fire until May 25th, I believe. But yeah, look, some hammocks. Over there you could put a tent.
Put a tent right there, no one do.
It's too close to the fire. You got a fireplace. Alright, so now we're at the intersection of the loop trail itself. So that way takes us, and then we come back this way. Or we're going to go that way and come back this way.
We're gonna go this way.
We're going that way? Let's go, Boogo. We're going that way.
Go, Briella, down. It'll be easy.
Be careful with the rocks.
Daddy's behind the camera.
So we are 2 miles in. The trail's getting better and better. I think it's a nice trail.
Yeah.
And it looks more like a trail instead of an open road. So the trail's been very good. The kids are laughing about some joke about when One of them was a baby. And
Me.
the trail just keeps going. There is a stream. I can hear a stream off to the right of us. Haven't been able to see it yet, but we're getting down to where it's going to turn back and go back up the mountain for the views. We are going to take a little side trail down to the pond. Adds about a half a mile one way. And we're also going to be looking for potential campsites because I have a bigger loop in this forest for a backpacking trip in the future. And potentially going to camp down here when we do that. So, and there's the stream. So that stream should be along the campsite that I was hoping to find too. So as soon as we find some campsites, we will definitely show that as well. You alright?
Yeah, I was just waiting for
Let's
you.
just get back to the trail.
That was fun.
Alright, just a couple feet after I said we could finally see the stream running beside us is this lower spur birch run. This is the spur we're going to take right here. We're going to take this spur and check for campsites down this way for a future backpacking trip, and then we'll come back up and continue to the right of the Rocky Knob Loop, which is going to go that way. But for now,
We're going this way.
and away we go.
Ooh, that was parkour.
Beautiful back in here. Awfully rocky. We're still heading to the pond, but look at the canopy of rhododendrons. We're heading to the reservoir or the pond. I'm not real sure. Passed some people earlier that was looking for the reservoir. I thought it was a pond on the maps, so not sure, but either way, it's a beautiful trail to get there from this way. There's other ways to get there. I think you can drive right to it on the road too, but what fun is driving to it, huh guys?
Exactly. No fun at all.
Haven't found any good campsites down here. There was one potential back there a little bit. Yeah, no fire pit. It was kind of small. Been good to get in a tent and maybe 2 hammocks. No fire pit. A lot of trees down. Must have been from the storm that was in the area just like a week ago. I see you. So, rhododendrons are thick down in here though. That's for sure. It looks like we may be breaking free from that canopy. And the trail's not as rocky right here either. You see that?
Yeah.
So.
Weird. Not a canopy though.
Yeah, just a little one though. I think the trail's pretty much open after this. So, we might be coming up on potential camp spots down here too. I think it might be opening up a little more. The trail's been very well marked. There's no mistaking which way you gotta go. The trail is very maintained. We did have to cross, what, 2 down logs back there?
Yeah.
But you can see where somebody has to have been through probably right before they went down to cut the ones that were down earlier. Hey, here we go. Look. I think we found a really nice camp spot right here.
Them logs weren't way up in the areas though.
Yeah.
To get past.
Surrounded by rhododendrons. It looks like you can get down and get water right here. Fire pit. Hammock. You can put a hammock there. You can put a hammock there. You could probably run one from here to there if you wanted to. Is that the way to get down to the stream? Yeah, can you get filter water from down there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is a beautiful campsite. Why is there a little fire pit over here? Huh. 1 fire pit. 2 fire pits.
Used to probably be 3 right there.
Yeah? Well, we'll come down then. Alright, well, this is probably the one we're going to pick then, Jax. But until then, I'll see what's going on down here at the pond. I don't think we have much longer. No? Okay. Not much longer to the pond, and we're going to backtrack this trail back up to Rocky Knob Loop and continue our loop, and that's where we'll see the views. So, we took a little break at a potential campsite there, you saw, and back in there we found this.
It's beautiful.
And it seems like the water is coming directly out of the ground right here, and the stream starts here.
Now there's a hole with water in it.
Yeah, Jack's dug a hole up there and found water flowing underneath the ground. There's another spot right over here that it's coming up from directly underneath the tree. Right there. It's just coming out from right there. Pretty neat. This is part of the reasons why I get the kids out to do this. You'll find things out here searching the wilderness. That's quite interesting and amazing. And it's a time worth having.
I have no idea where Jackson went.
Ah, you went up to the road here. Come on. You got it? I think the trail's over here.
Watch me hop down the trail. What does that say, guys?
Beaver Trail.
Beaver Trail.
Horses not permitted. I don't know where your brother went.
I'm having so much fun. Yeah, I don't know where Jackson went.
I don't know, but we weren't going very far into this trail. This was going to be a trail that we possibly are going to do when we come backpacking.
Jackson! Maybe you should look with him.
There's a backpack.
didn't you?
Yeah.
Well, this is nice, huh?
Yeah, it really is.
Now there's potential camp
All the way across there.
over there
You
somewhere.
see in the middle? That thing swimming? Little ducky.
Yeah,
He just went under. What happened to him?
this is beautiful.
Mm.
Well,
What was that one place we went to? On New Hampshire.
well, Booga and I are taking a break. Jackson is gone. And so far this is the steepest part that we had to come. I think it's final push and we're home free. What do you think, Booga?
I don't have anything to say about it.
Alright. Are you ready?
No,
Come on.
not that.
Hot meal and a movie when we're done. Whew.
I mean, I do like popcorn.
Popcorn? That's not a meal, but okay. Jackson must be sitting at the peak. Still a beautiful trail. The woods starting to die out up here.
It's pretty nice.
Well, we made it to the top. It's been flattening out. It's nice. I wonder where Jackson got to.
Yeah, I remember Jackson got here.
He ran ahead. We haven't seen what.
He's dead. He's dead! I guess I can take his bones, right?
You think he's... Hey! Hey! Did the mountain kill you?
No, the Sam squanched him.
Come on, we're home free. We did it. Shouldn't be too much longer until we find the end of the trail and head back down to the truck.
Oh, you want to see the map?
Why?
We didn't peek yet.
We didn't peek yet? Oh no. Okay. Never mind. I guess we're not almost done.
We're at the peak. We're at the peak.
Where?
We're at the peak.
This is the peak?
Yeah. Let's look right there at the top of the peak.
Okay. Good.
Hey, look at that!
It's $5. Alright. Well,
Here's $5 for it.
the egg hunt we were at before we come out here. Booger got found an egg with $5 in it. You see that campsite back here?
Which one?
The one back there before the peak? Ain't no way I'd stay there. All dead trees. Windstorm come down. You have like 10 trees on top of you.
The one where we all put that rock tower?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I guess you were with us there. No, there was another one on up.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, there was another one on the right side.
Oh, I just kept on walking, man. I looked at my old trails, I was like, oh my god, I'm not gonna peek yet. I gotta keep on walking.
That was brutal, that last little push, huh?
Yeah, no.
That's because we're not used to it.
Still, that was brutal. Even if we were used to it.
I don't think
That was
so.
still a brutal trail.
That was brutal. It was a good trail though, huh?
No,
You're not enjoying this?
no. I just seen those views.
Yeah, the view should be coming up here. I like this downhill business though. Booga took off. She was telling me her little legs were almost broke. She's like running down this side. I hear her. There she is. Oh. You trying to give me a flat tire with one of those? Huh? Funny man here, are we? If you can barely see that down there, that's the lake we were at earlier.
Come back.
We came up on the back side of that mountain, up on top of that mountain,
I caught somebody to try this.
down over here, and we're walking here, and we got a pretty good view. Not that bad. The trees are dead, but the ones that are alive, if they were full of leaves, you wouldn't get quite a good view. But it's definitely a good time.
Right away. You guys are towards
So, still a good bit of this trail left.
What?
Right, Booga?
Why did you laugh?
We got 2 more miles.
You don't say that word.
We're still not allowed saying 2 more miles?
We're still not allowed. But I still remember that day you kept saying the word.
Yeah, raccoon. No, raccoon stay put.
We also got dogs.
We should knock the block.
What's the one you got off?
Oh no.
Hey, there. They keep getting better.
Yeah.
Right here.
Hey! You have to wait for Daddy. Jackson!
Yep, there's the lake yet again. Is there a better view up there? Oh yeah. Got a nice little stool there. Little bench. Oh yeah. Oh my yeah. That's it.
Daddy.
Beautiful. So I think we're going to take a little break, have a snack, and enjoy this view a little bit, and go about our business. Again, the loop.
Dan.
Oh, back at the beginning. All right. So the trucks. Is it half a mile? I don't even think it's that mile far, right? About a quarter mile. The truck's about a quarter mile that way. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna use the bathroom, and we're gonna go watch a movie, because that's what we do. Easter egg hunt, half an evening hike, watch a movie. We're not eating squirrel turds out here. So, all right.
I did there.
Well,
And there.
back to the truck.
I win.
We made it back to the truck.
Flawless victory.
I don't know if it was flawless. I almost died.
Me too.
But
I ran down that mountain.
the truck is here,
The only one here.
and we were much happy to see it. We're gonna get cleaned up and go watch a movie.
We can't say what movie for the copyright issue.
And hopefully this isn't the only video we make.